So this is a trapezoid. A trapezoid has exactly one pair of parallel lines. The other two sides are not parallel. That's what makes it a trapezoid, okay? They're not parallel at all. They're crooked. So this guy here, the top guy and the bottom guy are called the bases. Base 1 and base 2.
Why are they called the bases?
The guy in the middle is called the median or the mid-segment. You might see it as mid-segment. So here they want you to find the median. They want you to find that middle guy. Does anybody have any ideas on what we could do to the 14 and the 22 to get the guy in the middle? So when you're finding the median, you need to find the average of the bases. So it's going to be 22 plus 14 divided by 2, which is 36 divided by 2, which is 18. So x equals 18. So we're still finding the average of the bases, which is x plus 7 divided by 2 equals 11.4. So what I would do here is put a 1 here, and this is going to be 22.8 equals x plus 7. And we subtract 7 from both sides, and we get 15.8 equals x. Now you look at it.
Did you just cross multiply?
Yeah. You look at it, and you say to yourself, the bottom guy is the smallest base, and that's 7. The top guy is the biggest base, and that's 15.8. And the median is in the middle, and then 11.4. So your answer makes sense. If you were to get like a 6 or a 8, you would know something's wrong, right? So here's a trapezoid, and because the two sides are congruent, you see the tick marks? It's an isosceles trapezoid. And with an isosceles trapezoid, these two angles are equal, and these two angles are equal. Now in this problem, they're asking for the top right, so we know what x is. What is x? 147. But I'm going to show you how to find the other ones. If these two lines are parallel, right here, with a transversal, then these two angles add up to what? They add up to 180. So this is going to be 33. And this is going to be 33. And this is going to be 147. But the problem only asks you for the 147. Questions? So in an isosceles trapezoid, where these two sides are equal, this guy is equal to this guy, and this guy is equal to that guy. And these two guys add up to 180, and these two guys add up to 180. So the rule is, what do I know about the median and the two bases? What do I do to find the median? I find the what of the two bases? Mean, the average. So we take the top guy plus the bottom guy, whatever it says there, divided by 2 equals 29. And don't freak out. It's ugly, but we'll clean it up a little bit. So that upstairs is 7x plus 16 over 2 equals 29. Everybody get that? All right, so now we have 7x plus 16 equals 58. 7x equals 42. X equals 6. Now, if they ask you for x, you're done. But if they ask you for A, B, C, D, E, if they ask you for EF, you have to plug it into this guy, okay? So pay attention to the problem. You're going to have a little bit of each of those.
Got it.
This is an isosceles trapezoid. Go back to your notes, and you'll see that this is 118, right? And you'll also see, does everybody understand that that's 118 at the bottom? Yeah. You'll also see that these two add up to 180, right, in your notes? Yeah. So just make that true. 3x minus 3 plus 118 equals 180. 3x plus 115 equals 180. 3x equals, was that 75? No, 65? What is it? So it's 65, and x would be equal to 65 thirds. Okay? And you can leave it like that.